So a happy update, real progress. Once again, I love it. I'm back to doing a ton of problems, which is what I really enjoy. Prop, I got me a new copy of this book for when I get ready to start commuting. And I'm gonna have a copy of it in my book bag when I commute in the train. And then I'm gonna have the copy that I use at home. So I wanna have the ability to have the book in multiple places, but without having just a single copy. And at some point I'm gonna make a video about my commuting business when it gets started, I think within a month or so. Or actually, by the time you see this video, it'll probably have already started because I'm a little ahead still in my video of the work that I do for Freidberg in Suspense. This book is so awesome. I love the problems. So in this update, I'm gonna show a lot of problems for section 5.1 and the beginning of section 5.2. Incredibly enough, the problems in section 5.2 are actually a little easier than the ones in 5.1. Go figure. Of course, no more IIT videos for a while. And then when it comes to the update itself, I read section 5.2. I've actually read parts of section 5.3, but only in this handout as I practice for my commute. And then section 5.1 had 22 proofs. I already, I think, made a video in the reading that I showed that I had done 3, but now I've done 22 proofs, total 25 problems. So I'm at 473 total problems attempted, a total of 294 proofs attempted. So then now off to the actual problems themselves. Some of them got hard. They really did. It is also true that I was a little distracted trying to get back to commuting, but really, I think some of the problems at the end of section 5.1, I found them to be a little difficult. Some, I feel confident that the proof is correct, as always. So these proofs, I'm confident that I did them correctly. Yeah. But this one, these connections through the phi isomorphism, I'm missing a little something in here. And then here, I did it way too complicated. I gave myself half credit. I still think it's almost correct, but the book had a really simple way. I felt dumb when I saw the answer. It's one of those. But then followed up by another easy proof. Yeah, this was more straightforward. More straightforward than problem 18. Yeah, I couldn't seal the deal with 18. I did a lot of exploring. I could do this special case for n equals 2, straightforward, get my D matrix. But when I tried to generalize it, I just couldn't figure a good way of doing it. Tried multiple times. I left it. It's like, all right, I got to move on. Then I think for problem 19, same business. I just couldn't seal the deal. So a couple of hard proofs in here. But I'm really glad that I'm attempting all the hard problems just because it's fun. It's something that it's a once in a lifetime for me to do a book cover to cover with all the problems, even if I don't get all of them right. But incredibly enough, sometimes what I think is a hard problem turns out to be a really quick 5-minute proof that I feel confident about. Then on to problem 21. Yeah, 22 was okay, but 21, I could do the special case, the n equals 2, and see that it was true. But yeah, once again, I was not able to seal the deal to make this proof work clean. It's one of those things. 23, an easy proof. 24, an easy proof. 25, I gave myself the wrong because by mistake, I saw the answer when I was checking other problems, but I did get it correct. But I felt, I'll give myself the wrong, even though I did it right. And then the true and false, I got 1, 2. Yeah, I got 1, 2 of them wrong. So that's fine. Then when I got to the calculation problems, book said 2e was not diagonalizable. I don't know, maybe I made a mistake and I did another problem by mistake or something, because I got it to be diagonalizable. So 2e in my book is diagonalizable. Then in this one, 2g, I messed up one of the vectors, the one for lambda equals 3. But then it was cruising for the beginning problems of section 5.2 so far. Yeah, so all the calculations that I did matched what was in the back of the book. And 6 was just write something on a page in the book, I felt. So I did that. That was fine. I love rewriting material. 7 was very, very much correct. 8 was an easy proof. And then 9 and 10 were also fairly straightforward proofs. So this puts me well into section 5.2. And I'm back with my momentum, which I really wanted to. Never again read ahead. I'm not doing that. I'm just plowing through section by section, doing every single problem or attempting every single problem.